Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Dental Hacks. So, topic of the day is muscle attachment on maxillary landmarks. Maxillary landmarks में कौन कौन से मसल्स अटैच होते हैं आज हम वो पढ़ेंगे. So, the areas we are going to study are labial frenum, labial vestibule, buccal frenum, buccal vestibule and hamular notch. हमारे मैक्सिला में मेन इन एरियाज़ पर ही मसल्स अटैच होते हैं. These muscles play an important role in the stability of our denture. So, the first is labial frenum. You can see in the diagram it is a mucosal fold which extends from labial aspect of the residual ridge to the lip. Here you can see labial aspect of the residual ridge to the lip. An important point is there is no muscle attachment on the labial frenum. That is why it is known as the passive frenum. इसीलिए इसे हम passive frenum भी बोलते हैं. Now the second is labial vestibule. It is that portion of the oral cavity that is bounded on one side by the teeth, gingiva and alveolar ridge and on the other side by the lips and cheeks. You can see here एक साइड से teeth, gingiva and alveolar ridge और दूसरी साइड से lips और cheeks. It extends from buccal frenum of one side to buccal frenum of other side. So it is in U shape. Now the main muscle of this region is orbicularis oris. Orbicularis oris has an indirect displacing effect on the denture. Labial vestibule में सिर्फ एक मसल पाया जाता है, वो कौन सा है? Orbicularis oris. Now the buccal frenum. Buccal frenum पे टोटल 3 मसल्स की अटैचमेंट होती है. First one is levator anguli oris. Levator anguli oris are attached beneath the frenum. As we are talking about maxilla, so these muscles are attached in this way. The line blue in color is buccal frenum and the portion which is red colored is levator anguli oris muscles. The second main muscle of this region is orbicularis oris which pulls the frenum in forward direction, जो frenum को आगे की तरफ pull करता है. The last one is buccinator muscles which pulls the frenum in backward direction, जो frenum को backward direction में pull करते हैं. So levator anguli oris, orbicularis oris and buccinator are the 3 muscles of the buccal frenum. Now the buccal vestibule. Buccal vestibule extends from the buccal frenum to the hamular notch. Buccal frenum से लेकर hamular notch तक buccal vestibule cover करता है. Buccinator muscles are the main muscles of this region. The next structure is hamular notch. You all are seeing that the areas marked with red lines are hamular notches of the maxilla. Pterygomandibular raphe is the main muscle attachment of hamular notch. It is a ligamentous band that extends from the hamulus of medial pterygoid plate, passes through the hamular notch and ends at the mylohyoid ridge. Here is a quick review of the muscle attachment on the anatomical landmarks of the maxilla. I hope it will help you. Now here is the end of the video. I hope you understand my lecture. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.